Have you ever noticed your flashlight icon missing from the control center? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. Let's dive into how to fix it. First, access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner. Look closely, is the flashlight icon really missing? If it's gone, let's check your settings. Tap on Settings, then Control Center to see if the flashlight is enabled. In the Control Center menu, scroll down to More Controls. Look for the flashlight option here. If it's not included, let's add it. Tap the green plus icon next to flashlight to add it to your control center. Now you're almost there. Finally, head back to Control Center. Your flashlight icon should now be visible. Easy as that. If the flashlight still doesn't appear, make sure your iOS is updated. Sometimes a simple update can resolve the issue. Remember, settings can change with each update. It's good to revisit your control center settings after each update. Now you're back in control. Enjoy the convenience of quick flashlight access whenever you need it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. If you found this guide useful, share it with friends. Help them navigate their iPhone more smoothly too. Keep your iPhone running smoothly, and always stay tuned for more updates and features.